Okay, we're back and we're still honking for Hawaii. No one's honked yet.
No one loves Hawaii. It's so sad. Maybe
Someone's coming that way.
Really? Sorry.
Yes.
Hopefully
Maybe they're not honking because they know that we're videotaping.
They didn't even look.
What?
Look at this.
The battery.
This?
The battery's getting ready to die.
It is.
Yeah, it's red.
Oh.
Okay, we'll wait for the next car and then we'll have to turn this off. So.
This thing runs on batteries.
I know. My camera does too. And we're probably gonna have a part 3 as soon as we get new batteries. So.
But we're probably gonna have to leave. So. Let's just.
Someone coming this way.
We gotta get a honk. We gotta get a honk.
What?
Yeah! Yes! Yes! So we've been waiting.
Okay, we're gonna go now. Bye.